This is the Double Horse 9101. It is very huge. It is 32 inches long. It's very powerful. It's made of a metal body and it has a powerful motor. So you have to be careful when you're playing with this, especially when you're around others. And make sure that it's turned off, especially when you're holding it. This is the remote control. You have many buttons here. This is the joystick to move up and down. This is the joystick so you can move left, right, forwards, and backwards. And you have this button here, which is the speed. You can go quick or slow. This is the trimmer to balance the helicopter. And you have more trimmers here for more precise adjustments. So now we recommend that you test your helicopter when you first get it, because you need to know that it's in good working condition before you play with it. And we recommend that a friend help you because the helicopter is very big. So make sure that it's pointed away from you. Hold it firmly and point the blades away from your face. So now you will plug in this cord and you will turn it on. Now you will turn on the remote control. And now you're going to move the joystick a little bit and you see that the motors are spinning. So now you're going to go to the right side and move the joystick, and you'll notice that the helicopter will spin according to what side you are turning the joystick. Now you adjust and you see that the rear rotor is moving. So you know that this helicopter is in great working condition right now. When you are ready to fly your helicopter, you need to adjust your trimmer. And when your helicopter stops spinning, it means that it's balanced and you are ready for takeoff. If you are a beginner, we recommend that you practice your landing because practice makes perfect. This helicopter is very sturdy, very stable, very durable, easy to maneuver and fly.